Welcome to Quick Coding Tips. Today we're solving a common programming challenge. Let's start by understanding the problem. In an HTML table, the cell padding and cell spacing can be set like this. How can the same be accomplished using CSS? Here's the solution. Basics for controlling cell padding in CSS. You can simply use span style color, red, padding span on table cells. E.g. for 10px of cell padding, span style color red, white space, td, th table cells padding, 10px, span 4 cell spacing, you can apply the span style color red, border spacing span CSS property to your table. E.g. for 10px of cell spacing, span style color red, white space, table border spacing, 10px, border collapse, separate, span. This property will even allow separate horizontal and vertical spacing, something you couldn't do with old-school cell spacing. Issues in IE7. This will work in almost all popular browsers except for Internet Explorer up through Internet Explorer 7, where you're almost out of luck. I say almost because these browsers still support the span style color red, border collapse span property, which merges the borders of adjoining table cells. If you're trying to eliminate cell spacing, that is, span style color red, cell spacing 0 span, then span style color red, border collapse span should have the same effect, no space between table cells. This support is buggy, though, as it does not override an existing span style color red, cell spacing span HTML attribute on the table element. In short, for non-Internet Explorer 5 to 7 browsers, span style color red, border spacing span handles you. For Internet Explorer, if your situation is just right, you want 0 cell spacing and your table doesn't have it defined already, you can use span style color red, border collapse span. Span style color red, white space, table border spacing 0, border collapse span. Note: for a great overview of CSS properties that one can apply to tables and for which browsers, see this fantastic Quarks mode page. This approach is efficient and follows best practices. Thanks for watching Quick Coding Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more programming tips.